The BPA-free Grand water pitcher with filter holds 10 cups of water, enough to fill 3 24-ounce reusable water bottles. Get great tasting water without the waste. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles a year. This space-efficient Brita pitcher fits perfectly on refrigerator shelves, features an easy-fill locking lid and is easy to pour. Height 10.16, width 5.77, length/depth 11, weight 2.48 pounds. Brita is the #1 water filter reducing chlorine, taste and odor, mercury, copper, zinc and cadmium. Always get cleaner, filtered water with an electronic indicator that makes filter reminders effortless. Compatible with Longlast and Standard water filters. For the freshest tasting water, replace your Longlast filter after 120 gallons or approximately every 6 months, or Standard filter after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months. 16.9 ounces water, based on ERI data, versus tap. Drink healthier, great tasting tap water with this BPA-free Brita 10-cup water pitcher. With the advanced filter technology, Brita cuts the taste and odor of chlorine to deliver great tasting water, and is certified to reduce copper, cadmium and mercury impurities, which can adversely affect your health over time. This white Brita pitcher has an ergonomic design which makes pouring easy. With the flip-top lid, refilling is a breeze, and just a glance at the electronic filter indicator lets you know when it is time to change the Brita replacement filter. This large water pitcher comes with 1 water filter, which should be changed every 40 gallons or about 2 months for best results. Start drinking healthier, great tasting water with Brita today. Top reviews from the United States. Good. It's big. Easy to clean. Like the handle. I like the fact that this model has a cover over the spout. I don't know why Brita makes models without the cover. I keep the pitcher outside the refrigerator, so what if a fly lands there, or dust, or whatever? At first I ordered one without the cover. I tried to return it, but it's non-refundable. Darn. So I call and talk to an Amazon representative. She said they will refund it and I can keep the pitcher too. This is why Amazon is doing so well. They have never failed me once. I mean, I made bad purchases on Amazon, but I have to say Amazon has been a great helper to me, especially now since I find myself in a situation where I need to have everything delivered to me. Next day I bought 1 share of Amazon.